Back seat folds forward. I'm gonna have Nicole do that. It turns the 7-row seating into an area where you can, you know, put something in there. The front seats fold forward and get a lot of cargo room, probably as much as a truck for sure, maybe more. And that's pretty cool. Not neat? I told you I was going to take you to some pretty rough roads, right? These are pretty rough, some of these back farm roads.
From all of the big trucks that go on these farm roads, yeah, there's quite a few potholes. If I was in my SUV that I have, the feeling in this one going through the potholes is completely different than the one I have.
Yeah.
This one's like, it's real smooth going through them. And these are some pretty gnarly potholes that are out here.
Yeah, they're pretty bad. Here's the thing, when you buy an SUV, right, they ride different than trucks. They're smoother. They're meant to be like that. So when you lift one up, I was wondering, like, okay, so what are you going to do to this suspension? Like, what do you know, I mean, how's it going to change? But, you know, like you said, I'm actually surprised because it does have smooth transitions through those potholes. And that's pretty cool. And I would imagine that off-road, you're going to get that same kind of thing. Does it feel different, though? Doesn't it feel a little different riding an SUV in the air?
Yeah.
It does, right? It's like,
it's a lot. It's way different.
It's different, right? It's like a unique experience.
It's like you have the SUV like inside feel, but you're in like a lifted truck.
Yeah.
It's totally different.
Right.